Hello guys. I'm just gonna give you a little update today. I just got home from school. I had gym class, so I'm all messy. Anyway, I got a new camera. Check it out. We took back that other one that I got for outside use, and we got this one instead. It's kind of cool. Look, it has a 35 optical zoom, and it has a YouTube sticker on it. The YouTube sticker. I don't know why, but that's like one of my favorite parts of the camera. But the lens is pretty big. It's pretty cool. We bought it from Circuit City. They're going out of business, so we got like a 20% discount on it. Anyway, so I just want to give you a little update. I'm at 4,200 subscribers-ish. I'm just going to let you know my goal is 10,000 by the end of summer. And, dude, I got this. I'm at my second partner check for being a YouTube partner, and like ever since then I have been getting like no ad clicks like whatsoever, and I've been making like little tiny bits of money. I used to make like 20 bucks a day from like people clicking the ads, and now I'm like making like 40 cents a day, which really sucks. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to give you a little update. The spelling bee. I won my class spelling bee, and I went on to the school spelling bee. I came in second place because I was very honest. This kid, when it was just me and him, right? And when it's just two people, when you miss your word, the other person gets a chance to spell the word and then another word, and if they spell them both right, they're declared the winner. Now, he spelled chancellor wrong, and I knew how to spell it. He only used one L, there's two. But the person who was announcing it said that there was two L's. So I said, well, you kind of basically told me what it was. So they gave me a new word, which was epitaph, and I got it right. I don't even know how. I thought it was epitaphs at first. And then I had the other word superintendent, and I spelled it with an A instead of an E. And then he got some crappy E's. He had to spell superintendent, which was obviously with an E since it wasn't with an A. And then spelled another word, I think it was monopolize, and he won. But I don't really care because I didn't want to go to the Vindicator spelling bee anyway, because I would have been like destroyed in the first round. Anyway, I also made math counts. Basically, you go to our local college. They're actually a Division I basketball school. They're a small school though. They're in the Horizon League, and what's it called? Well, you take tests and stuff, and you just do math for like a whole day. It's actually kind of fun. I enjoyed it. I made it last year, even though I was a 7th grader. I made it as an alternate, and I made the actual team this year. 8 people get picked, 4 alternates and 4 on the team. I actually made the team this year, and so I will be going, and that should be fun. I get to miss a whole day of school. Yay! Yeah. So last week was Catholic Schools Week, and I got it filling in my mouth. It's over there. You might not be able to tell, and I just fogged my lens. One cool thing I like about this camera is 35 times optical zoom. I can zoom in on the stop sign all the way down the street. It's really neat. Well, that's really all I have to talk about today. I really didn't want to talk about anything much. A new Super Bowl video will be coming out either Wednesday or Thursday. It's going to be entitled Super Bowl Sunday. And basically, I'm going to be watching the Puppy Bowl. It's this thing that's on Animal Planet, and all these puppies are put in like this little arena, and they sorry, I got the hiccups, and they play with each other and stuff. And people call in and adopt them, and they call it the Puppy Bowl. So I'm basically going to be watching that and like shouting and screaming and stuff. Then it's going to like fade or blur or something and be like what Packers fans did on Super Bowl Sunday. So, yeah. Well, that's really all I have because my mom's standing here with a salami sandwich. Here, let me take it.
It's not a salami sandwich, it's raviolis.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
Let's try to stay out of the video.
Alright, here's your bread.
Alright, can you place it in the room? There you go. Alright guys, well I just wanted to show you all the new stuff I got and crap. Yeah, I've been doodling on this board, which is not very good to do inside. Power D12, bridges. Alright, so that is all. I will see you later. New video on Wednesday or Thursday about the Super Bowl. Okay, guys. Peace. Hey, was that my mom? What the heck? Hey, guys, I also forgot to tell you, I learned how to play the beginning of the Final Countdown by Europe on this keyboard, so I'm just going to play that real quick for you right now. And, you know, Starving Artist put some money in my hat by, yeah. Alright, here we go. Alright, I did it twice, and that's my mom again in the background. Hi, Mom. Okay. See you later, guys. Just wanted to show you that real quick.